And with another Fortnite video. And so we're playing some duos with my buddy Off God Killer 300. Alright. So here we go. We're going to Shifty Chefs. Got my favorite skin ever, Triceratops. We are 8 tiers away from being tier 100. If I can tier up 3 times before Friday, well, I'm gonna be tier 100. Alright, we're going up. They're here, I guess. Have it? Bro, what did... Dude. Yeah, that's what I thought, bro. Not even cool. You freaking stole my shit. Faggot move. Actually. I'm a fucking bush. This bitch ass stole whatever fucking purple weapon I got. You know what? This is why I don't play with him. He asked me to play with him a lot, but I really never do. And that is the reason why. Because whenever I do, he always steals whatever I get. See, this dude already has a freaking scar. He already got a scar. Then he stole whatever purple weapon I had. Nigga, this is not Minecraft. Are you shitting me right now? I have 4 fucking bullets. Alright. Okay, this bush is actually really annoying. Okay, actually, game. Dang, bro, my guy. Give me a chug jug. Bro, are you shitting me? Bro, can I please... Okay, wait. My hunting rifle, bitch. I love hunting rifles. Freaking don't got a single kill. Got KS. How many kills? He has 5 kills. He KS'd me so many times. That's the only reason why he got 5 kills. I mean, whatever. As long as we get a win. Come on. Andy up. Fucking live. It's because I am streaming while watching my stream so I can record videos. That is my ghetto setup. Nobody laugh at me for it. I come from a poor family. We cannot afford stuff. Okay? Okay. That's another kill from another guy. What? Oh, I was gonna say, I thought... that's 6 kills for... Okay. Maybe I should stop being mad at him and start being like, hey, that a boy? I'm stealing this nigga's loot. Yes, now we both got hunting rifles. I know you need... I got you. Don't even worry about it. I got you. Man, this dude got 6 kills. Talk about a bloody legend. I mean, we both got scars. Both, man, dude, we said. I mean, Off has done most of the work, but I don't know. I feel like he did most of the work, but I also feel like he didn't do most of the work. Cause I mean, like, at least for 3 or 4 of his kills, I did 95% or 90% of the damage. I don't even know what he's shooting at right now. He's shooting on something whack. I mean, my guy is on crack. Oh, I see you. Oh my god, I just barely juked his bullet. Oh! Let me record that. What? What? Why can't I record that? What? Bruh. Holy... Bruh. And that is why I always get the hunter rifles. This nigga barely popped his head, and all I had to do was just pop. What the fuck, bro? That's just... That's all me, baby. Why couldn't it didn't let me freaking record it? That's what pisses me off, that shit. Bruh. Oh my god. And now we're rotating back. I got 1 kill, and I'm happy about it. Cause that was a hella sexy snipe. I guessed when he was pop shotting. Okay, the thing with pop shotters is they shoot, reload, and then they memorize where their whoever they're shooting at last was, shoots in that direction, and as they popped up again, they look for where they were this time. And I knew he was popping his head back up, and I was just like, bada bing, bada bam. And I freaking sniped. Now, how to kill pop shotters, you sit there and you hold it, you count 1, 2, because that's how long it takes to reload a sniper, or bolt or hunting rifle. It's 1, 2, and then bada bing, bada bam, fire exactly where they were standing. Because usually pop shotters don't like to move, because then it messes with the whole like guessing where they shot thing. But alright, my boy. Okay, this right here, guys, the special tip right here, this right here is one of the biggest trolls ever. Cause the spikes still go through the floor, so like, or the stairs. So like, if somebody comes walking down here, you know, like la da 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 da, let me go walk down here, and then bang, not dead, whatever. They have no clue how or why. Alright. I'll come get snack, Papa.
I don't care if you're doing that.
Papa, you missed it. I had the greatest snipe ever with the hunting rifle. It was so godly, like Zeus would.
You're right there, babe.
Zeus would bow down to me with how sexy the snipe was. It was a sexy snipe. Are you looking at my phone screen? You like it? I'm broadcasting. See? And then I broadcast on, and then so people can watch me play. And then I just like watching it to make sure that it's not lagging. It's a couple of seconds behind, but
It's about a second, half second.
Yeah, it's not that, and it's really fast. And then what I do is I make it into like a video, like I screen record, and then I put it on YouTube.
No.
Yeah, that's what this little orange circle is right there. It's a screen recorder. I'll show you. You can see my snipe because this is a video. I recorded it, so you'll be able to see my snipe. It was a very sexy snipe, Papa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You knocked right up on him, huh?
No, he saw us, okay, and there's something in this game called pop shotters where what they do is they build a wall and then stairs behind the wall, and then they sit there and they crouch shoot it. Well, with snipers you can do it, except you crouch shoot, crouch again, reload, crouch back up and shoot. And how it works is when you go up, you fire where you last saw the person, and then as you go up, you look for where they are now if you didn't hit them. And that's called pop shotting. And this guy was trying to pop shot me and my friend, and I counted 1, 2, because that's how long it takes for a sniper to reload. Alright, and then I got to 2, and I fired where I last saw him, and bang, bang. I hit him and I killed him. It was something for like 200 too. And this gun is a 90 body shot and something like a 150 to 200 range headshot. So that means I hit him in the head, which is even harder to do with pop shotters. Oh.
What are you doing all the dance moves for?
Because somebody sniped me. See, I was 150, but now I'm 70 and 50 because I just drank 2 shield potions. I have no clue where I got sniped from.
Somewhere up above you.
Oh, I mean, yeah, I suppose that could have happened, but it's not very likely because we're at one of the highest points in the game.
And somewhere below you. You'll figure it out.
Oh. Oh. Oh, lucky. Come on, let me get in those. Ooh. This guy's good. Oh, what? Stupid bullet drop. See, now. Oh, shit. Well, see, that wasn't very nice of him. Seriously, bro, I got 33 health now. Come on. Okay, seriously, my aim is complete ass. Let's go, baby! And another one gone, another one dead. One bites the dust. Better watch out. It's gonna get you too. Oh. See, he's still one. Let's go! Come here, boy! Oh, come on, come on, come on, off guard. No! Off guard, you gotta win it for me. That's what I'm talking about, off guard. Win this solo. Win this solo, baby. Win it. Win it first, baby. Probably typing me a message right now. Nope, nope. Let's go, off guard. Win it first, baby. Come on, off guard, don't die. When you got this, bud, don't die. Oh, come on. Come on, off guard, win it. Win it first, baby. Win it. Right there, right there. Okay, they're pushing. Alright, good build. Let's go! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!